and very good morning. Right, so for today, we are going to continue our lecture on sustainable in M&E. Okay, sustainable in M&E. So as you can see from my slide, I'm sharing you my slide right now. Okay, you may refer slide given, which is for topic of lecture 7, which is this one on topic chapter 3. Okay, so current issue, sustainable development in mechanical and electrical. So we are focused on two subtopic, which is green building first, and then what else? Energy saving. Okay, all right. So it's okay. This is simple. Very simple topic. Actually, everything on MNE has been discussed during the topic of MNE. It's just a summarized version on this chapter 3. So green building, at the end of the course, you should be able to apply the basic knowledge, okay? And of course, about the safety and control of using electrical and mechanical system. All right, so your lesson outcome, you should be able to discuss the function and application of the lift and escalator, travelator, which is in term of, I'm sorry, this is for topic 6, sorry. But it's still related to the green building, okay? So any lift, escalator, travelator, automation, lighting, air conditioning system, so everything can be included in the green building. Okay, all right, so for this topic, so describe the basic principle for a green building. Okay, all right, so green building, energy saving. So green building basic requirement, okay, basically we will look on the energy, okay, water, materials usage and sourcing. Okay, and then, all right. So how the building become green? Okay, for any building in Malaysia, basically CIDB, they will check your building and you may register your building as a green building or not. Okay, so they will calculate on the term of energy usage index, power usage effectiveness, energy productivity, carbon footprint, percentage of waste diverted from landfill, and environmentally preferable product standard. Okay, if you use more glass compared to concrete in your building, so you will reduce the usage of electricity during the day. Okay, during the day. So that will included in the power usage effectiveness and also energy usage index. Okay, so that's the example. Okay. So from the Panduan Teknik Reka Bentuk Elektrik edisi 4 cawangan JKR Malaysia, cawangan elektrik. Okay, so any green building, the first one it will require about renewable energy. So if you can read from this cawangan KE shall drive the adoption of renewable energy. So we try to use renewable energy instead of non-renewable, okay, such as is given here solar, wind, geothermal, biomass and others. Okay, so we have been discussed about this before, about solar and also about the water hydro plant, right? So solar PV panels can be attached to pitched roof or flat roof. It can be both. Fixed vertically onto external wall or located on the ground. They should work efficiently in most locations as long as no part of the panel is shaded from the sun. Okay, so you just need to make sure that your building, your roof, your solar panel facing the sunlight without any shaded from sun. Okay. If PV system is considered in the design as of minimum requirement, it is suggested to estimate the installed power capacity where 0.5% of total, whichever is greater, of the total electricity consumption is generated by renewable energy. However, the designer are encouraged to design and install a bigger PV system capacity if it does not cause overrun of the whole project. Okay, if you install big or small, the cost is still high. So the best thing is you should try to install as big as possible in your building. Okay, so there will no wastage, okay, for the installation. And also we can read here panduan reka bentuk also energy efficiently guideline. So energy efficiently or EE in the JKR context mean the efficient utilization of energy during the operation lifespan of the building. Okay, where the comfort of the occupant is not compromised. Okay, you still get the comfort working environment, comfort living environment, but um, you will use, but at the same time you reduce the energy usage. Okay, the energy efficiency is implemented in the building. Okay, so scope, the guideline apply to electrical installation for non-residential building, either is a conventional building. Okay, that one for JKR. But if you want to install in your building, private building, so you may do that. Okay. All right. So the other thing you may read. Okay, I would like to touch on the lighting design. Okay, lighting design, the illumination, it will still can be related, it must related to the this green building and also the building automation system that we will touch tomorrow. Okay, type of lighting, there are many type of lighting such as thread light, okay, fluorescent fixture, high intensity discharge, and everything, all of the type of, okay, most of these type of lamp have been discussed before. Okay, for domestic and industrial use, the selection of lighting in terms of weightage and color rendering, okay, is very important to install that light that give you um um that give you the illumination with a comfort view. Okay, not too yellowish, okay, not too bluish, not too white. Okay, it is important in ensuring the right environment for a working area and utilization of energy. Okay, and then okay, suggested method from JKR, building design specification. Okay, so this one, before you install um the lightings or fans, aircon, okay, you should pay attention on the building design, okay, at the first place. Okay, the nature of the building environment is an important factor in the design of the lighting system. If dark color are used on wall, okay, if you still remember, we discussed on this factor during your illumination lab. Okay, the color of wall, the color of the furniture inside, okay, floor and ceiling, the result is decreased light level. Okay, as more light is absorbed by the dark surface. Using light color instead can allow the removal of lamp in some cases. Okay, so better to use light color for wall, ceiling, and also for your furniture. Okay, and then you can maximize day lighting or natural lighting. That's why I told you more glasses, more opening. Okay, so it will reduce the use of uh, energy. Okay, you may also include a lux sensor, okay, lux control to limit the glare entering the workstation to avoid error, fatigue, and accident. Okay, like what we call it, tinted, okay, like tinted system. All right, and then we have energy efficient office equipment and plug loads. Okay, basically this one we use like a timer. okay, like a timer. So you may use that timer to ensure that you will not leave your printer, laptop, or any equipment, okay, without any usage. Okay, and energy efficient AC/MV system. Okay, previously we talked a lot on HVAC, heating, ventilating, and air conditioning system, HVAC system. But for this slide, it's telling you on AC/MV system, which is um, aircon and mechanical ventilation system. Okay, so what's the difference between these two type of system? Of course, HVAC included on heating system, okay, on heating your space. But AC/MV is much suitable for Malaysia because we are not most of our space do not include it for heating process. Okay, you won't need heating. Um, yeah, you will not need heating process for your room or building. Basically, that one for somewhere in winter. Okay, so we more to AC/MV system. Okay, are intended to provide adequate cooling comfort, and we also control for the humidification. Okay, kelembapan dalam bangunan. And efficient multi-zoning air distribution with variable air volume and variable speed drive. Okay, it's just for your information. You don't need to memorize this. To ensure the aircon area are all within the specified comfort zone. Okay, and control cooling comfort where you want it. So you can control the usage. You can control the temperature. Okay. And the last one is energy management system. So energy management system is um, heavy and effective building monitoring, control, operation, energy management, and reporting system can play a critical role in operating and maintaining energy efficient building. This system will ensure that the building operates as efficiently as possible while meeting the occupant comfort and functional needs, not only during testing and commissioning, but throughout the life of the building. Okay. Um, okay, so as you can see for the second paragraph, for installation, EMS system, okay, um, usually for more 11 kilovolt from TNB, it is recommended to install the EMS complete with maximum demand, limiting controller for controlling and reducing maximum demand in TNB bill. Okay, this one is like a control, okay, same base control, but is more for high usage, okay, for more than 11 kilovolt. Basically, if you still remember this one, more to primary, okay, primary distribution area, which is shopping mall. Okay, awareness, the last one, and of course you should spread the awareness among citizen, among people, okay, an intensive program of electric saving awareness for all employees for their cooperation in lighting control. Okay, so you just need to remind your staff, remind your clique to always switch off your lamp, switch off your fan, okay. All right, that's all for this topic. Okay, thank you for your attention. So you may read more on this topic, but basically we did touch all during our um, previous lecture. All right. Okay. So thank you for today.